I'm Nyman and I work as a data scientist at Atea, Finland. And I've been doing that now for about 4 years. Before joining Atea, I was working on credit scoring type machine learning workloads. So we were looking at default risk and how we can predict that. For instance, using gambling type data and see if those signals can be used to predict default risk. And at the same time, I was studying at university, doing economics courses and statistics and stuff like that. During my university years, I got really into forecasting, specifically like trying to forecast macroeconomic variables. So for instance, the financial crisis of 2008, and see if we could use like VIR models or DSGE models to predict those variables and to try to predict those kind of black swan events, if you will. So one of my university lecturers recommended me for a position as a data scientist at Atea. It was essentially through my interest in data and data analysis and especially running forecasts and stuff like that really got me interested in the field. And so after a while, after going through the full recruiting process at Atea, I landed the position finally. For instance, right now we're working on Gen AI type marketing models. So prompt engineering a bot to behave in a specific way and use customer data and product data to predict to generate marketing emails. I also really enjoy doing optimization type projects. So that's essentially, because it's the most like my university studies and what I was doing there also with the forecasting models. So you set up a business problem, you want to optimize some kind of production line or something, and you set up your business constraints, and then you solve the model with some kind of linear programming or quadratic programming. Those cases are really fun. I work with a fairly broad range of customers, whether it's small or large customers, public or private, in different kind of sectors, whether it's manufacturing or energy or whatever it might be. So that's really interesting. And one of the most fun cases I worked on was actually for detecting anomalies in machine type data. So we were looking at variables such as temperature and machine vibrations, trying to find the anomaly signals there and see if we could use that data to predict machine failure to, for example, plan maintenance jobs. Yeah, I really like the challenge working with different kinds of customers and technologies and so on. You have to learn new things all the time, and that can be tiring, I suppose, as well, but it's usually really rewarding and fun when you get to do new things and explore new areas. My advice for people like just starting out in this field would probably be to take these kinds of courses where you're learning the actual technologies that are used in the market. So that's a lot of Microsoft products as an example. And perhaps the thing I would recommend the most is to just have fun with your task. For me, it was the weird forecasting thing I had going on for me at university, trying to predict that financial black swan. That was really fun and kind of spurred me on. So try to find those cases that you're really interested in and perhaps build some kind of demo out of it. Try to do that. Use your inspiration.